When it was constructed in the foothills of the Adirondack Mountains in upstate New York nearly half a century ago, it was the second tallest man-made structure on Earth, overshadowed only by the 1,450-foot Empire State Building. On April 21, 1998, a demolition team from the 41st Engineering Battalion of the Army's 10th Mountain Division triggered 350 pounds of explosives and toppled the 1,218-foot Loran Tower at the Air Force Research Laboratory's Forestport research facility. The demolition culminated months of planning by site operations personnel, Army experts, and officials of the rural towns of Forestport and Ohio. The demolition team arrived on April 20th as part of a training mission. They erected sandbags to shield from blasts designed to sever 7-ton guy wires. New York State Police and Sheriff's deputies cut off traffic on a road that ran beneath the guy wires. Crews manned checkpoints and provided equipment to reopen the roads. Utility crews cut electrical power and lowered lines to minimize damage from falling guys and to restore power to area homes. The Army team spent the morning attaching explosive charges to the guy wires and the base of the tower. By noon, thousands of spectators had gathered to witness the tower's demise. Television stations from Utica, Syracuse, and Watertown were on hand. At 12:01 p.m., cutting charges were detonated. £300 of plastic explosives destroyed a section of the southern support leg of the tower, and the massive structure, described as a masterpiece of engineering design when it was erected, began to slowly crumble and fall to the south. LORAN, or long-range navigation, was developed during World War II and used low-frequency radio stations to guide bombers. The Air Force erected the Forestport Tower in 1950 to test LORAN, hoping to improve it and other World War II navigation systems. By the mid-1950s, technological advance had made LORAN obsolete, and the Forestport Tower then became integral to the development of a host of low-frequency, long-range navigation and communication systems. With the end of the Cold War and the advent of the Global Positioning System for precision navigation, the towering relic in the southwest corner of the 6-million-acre Adirondack Park became a technological dinosaur. Air Force Research Laboratory officials decided to demolish the tower to eliminate maintenance costs and safety liabilities. What took 75 working days to erect in temperatures as high as 90 degrees and as low as 25 below zero took only seconds to erase on a sunny spring day almost 50 years later. The estimated 2 million pounds of steel and guy wire from the fallen tower will now be offered for dismantling as salvage and hauled off-site for disposal.